Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Venice Bonded Leather Visitor Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with backrest attached, a pair of arms, cantilever base with glide feet attached, 4 36mm bolts, 4 bolt caps, 1 Allen key, and 4 30mm bolts, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. Turn the chair upside down. Line up the cantilever base with the holes on the underside of the seat pad and secure with the 4 30mm bolts. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Turn the chair onto its legs and attach the arms to the seat pad and backrest using the 4 36mm bolts. Again, once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Lastly, insert the 4 bolt caps over the holes in the arms. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Venice Visitor Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.